Hello, my crafty friend. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been part of this community for a while, I just want to say thank you. Really, I love having you here. Whether you join me live every Thursday for Glue and Giggles, watch the replays later, or quietly craft along in your own space, you're such an important part of this little creative corner. Since you've been here before, you already know we love simple layouts, beautiful designer paper, and cards that are easy to duplicate. But what you might not always see is how much thought goes into making this space calm, organized, and encouraging. Over the past year, I've been refining things behind the scenes, simplifying my classes, strengthening my systems, and focusing on what really matters: connection, confidence, and community. If you've grown in your crafting, tried something new, or felt more confident because of what we share here, that means the world to me. And if life has been busy and you're just finding your way back to the craft table, you're always welcome here. No pressure, no perfection, just stamps, ink, paper, and a little glue and giggles every now and then. Thank you for being part of this journey with me. Now let's keep crafting together.